7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't think about that, just right.
The ride area around this looks absolutely beautiful. There's so much like landscaping everywhere, rock work, all the integrated speakers, a fountain. It's really pretty. Yeah, really nice. Look at all the queue line here, all the cool landscaping. It just looks so big. Oh, they've done an excellent job with this. Very excited to get back on.
Hold on
Let's
tight.
go. That was absolutely fantastic. We're going around for my second ride now, technically my third, but oh, it's so good. I love Aviktas.
He's not there yet. Okay.
And there we go, Aviktas is now open at Pleasure Beach Resort in Blackpool. I've had a fantastic time getting a few rides on this across the opening event, and I'm so excited to get back on it in the future once it's really found its place in Pleasure Beach. A huge thank you to the team at Pleasure Beach for the invite for this event. I really appreciate being invited to stuff like this, and events like this are always so fun and I had a great time. You've already heard my thoughts of Aviktas from my previous video when I rode it for the first time at the VIP experience, but it's still riding just as good and I had an amazing time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.